guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing the February favorites. I know February just seems like super quick. I know I say the same thing every single month, but seriously, I think 2018 has been moving too fast. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with skincare first. I'm sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know that I'm in love with this. This is the Philosophy Renewed Hope in the Jar SPF 25. I love this for that glow. Like, it seriously makes my skin look super translucent and super crystal clear with that really nice glow. And I love the night one as well. I just didn't bring it because I'm filming in Matt's house today, but I use that every night and I wake up to really beautiful skin in the morning. I think Philosophy is a brand that just deserves way more hype because it's such a good brand and the products are actually not that pricey. So for those of you who are living in Singapore and who don't know where to get Philosophy, you can get them at Sephora. Another product I have been loving is this. This is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Generally, Fresh is a brand that makes amazing products. Like, you guys know how much I love all of their masks. So whenever they come out with a new product, I really will not even hesitate. Just take all my money, you know? Every single time, they always just blow me away with their new products. A lot of you guys ask me what is the difference between this and the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. The difference is huge. I love both for different users. I feel that this one is really good for firming and, like, you know, just helping your skin feel more elastic. I feel this is more for people that are, you know, in their early 20s all the way to their mid 40s, whereas I feel that for SK2 it's targeted more at mature skin. It is more of like that lifting effect. I feel that this is more close to the Zoom 37 Secret Essence, but I love them all three to bits. Really. I'm sure all of you guys are also quite sick of me talking about these. These are the Minon Amino Moist Charge Milk and Moist Charge Lotion 2. I love Minon. I also think that this brand deserves way more hype than it does. It's a Japanese brand that is developed specially for sensitive skin, which is what I have. So I can personally vouch for it that it has improved my sensitive skin really tremendously. It also helps to moisturize without actually irritating it, which is quite rare for this kind of drugstore skincare brands. Yeah, accompanying it is also this one. This is the Minon Amino Moist Sheet Mask. I love this sheet mask. It is not cheap. It is around, I think, $3 per piece, but I think it's super good, especially if you have sensitive skin, like I said, or if you have super dry skin, because this one has a gel essence. It's not like your usual water type kind of essence that you find in sheet mask. It's actually gel form, so it actually helps to deliver more moisture deeper into your skin, and the quality of this mask is really amazing. It allows you to fit into the nooks and crannies of your faces, and it sticks on it for like a whole 15 minutes without any sides like actually lifting up or whatever. So yeah, I really love this brand. Another favorite of mine is this little thing over here. This is the SK2 Magnetic Booster device. It's very simple and cute. It just looks like this. It has a really long wand for you to hold and like a metal plate over here that actually starts vibrating when it comes into contact with your skin. I really like it because I find the shape really easy to maneuver and it's really good for massaging your face. I actually woke up with a super puffy face, super puffy eyes, you guys won't even imagine, because I spent the whole night watching I'm Not a Robot and I cried like mad as usual. So I woke up with really puffy eyes, and it was CNY2 that day, which means I had a lot of visitings to do. So I was kind of panicking and asking you guys on Instagram, like, what would you do if you woke up with like really puffy eyes? So personally, I just went straight to this and I was just like praying that it would get rid of, you know, all the water retention that was on my face. I put the SK2 RNA Booster Cream together with this and I just like started to massage it, and I took about 5 minutes, and I would say all the water retention on my face, okay, not all, maybe like 80% of the water retention on my face just went away in just like 5 to 10 minutes. So I think it's very amazing. If you would like to find a device that will massage your face and also help your creams like penetrate deep into your skin, this is one to try out. I've got got 2 hair products this February. I know I don't really talk about hair products that much because I always change it up and always forget to bring it because they are always sitting in my bathroom. Since I'm filming at Matt's house today, I just decided to show you guys the shampoo that I have been loving recently. This is the Kerastase Specifique Dermo Calm Scalp Shampoo. So I have eczema on my scalp, which is a pain in the ass because my scalp is super sensitive. Whenever I use shampoos that are like just not suitable, my whole scalp will start peeling and flaking like mad. It looks like I have dandruff, which makes me super self-conscious whenever I talk to people because I'll just be like, is a dandruff sticking out right now or something? But I don't have dandruff. It's more of like my scalp is very sensitive and very dry, so it's just how it reacts to products that are not suitable for it lah. This one really helps to clean my scalp and calm it down. Sorry, my camera died. I was saying that it doesn't actually even foam up that much, so I know it doesn't have a lot of all the parabens and the sulfate, I guess. Sulfite? Oh wait, or is it silicone? Yeah, there's no silicone inside. So it's hypoallergenic shampoo for sensitive scalp and combination hair. It cleanses it really well but very gently. I use this every single day and I love it. Then I also have this. This is the L'Oreal Pro Fiber Reconstruct Hair Mask. I don't really use a conditioner because I use heat on my hair like super often, in fact almost every day. So I try to use a hair mask in replacement of conditioner because it is more rich and it's a lot more effective that way. If you don't have very damaged hair, you know, doing this will actually make your hair super heavy and it will weigh it down, which is not what I would recommend. But if you have very damaged hair, or if you know that you're doing things to your hair that is potentially going to damage it quite severely, then I would suggest using hair mask in replacement of your hair conditioner, or just use it at least 3 times a week because it really helps to restore your hair. And this Pro Fiber one I have been using for years and years now. I think this is like my 6th or 7th tub already. I get mine from my hair salon, Salon Vim. It's really good at helping to repair your hair and making it stronger by just fixing up the fibers and making it more smooth and silky. Now enough about the hair favorites, let's move on to makeup. So my first makeup favorite is actually this. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I bought it really long ago, maybe like 4 or 5 months ago when I went to the duty-free store in Singapore when I was like gonna take off at the airport, and I saw this and I knew it was very highly hyped. I got it immediately because I didn't really see Giorgio Armani makeup like anywhere else, so I just immediately bought it. It was over $100, which was super expensive. When I first used it, I was honestly quite disappointed, and that is why you guys never really see me using this even though I got it quite long ago. I personally felt that it's quite similar to my NARS Sheer Glow, except that it has lower coverage and it doesn't last as long, so that is why I didn't really like it. But after a few months, you know, I just decided to just take it out again to try it because I saw it lying around and I was like, I'm not gonna waste my money because I spent so damn much money on it. I just kind of started to fall in love with it. I don't know why and I don't know what about it. It is just so lightweight. It looks like your second skin. I'm wearing it today and it gives me that really translucent porcelain look without making you look like you're wearing a lot of makeup. Coverage is light. The texture is super lightweight as well. It's very watery. It's very runny. So I personally love it on days where I need to look like I'm not wearing too much makeup. So if you want your skin to look like, you know, I just woke up like this, I have super good skin, this is the foundation for you. Do note that it doesn't cover well. It doesn't cancel redness very well. It doesn't hide your pores well. It just helps to give you that really nice soft glow on your face without making you look cakey and without making you look like you're wearing a lot of makeup. The next favorite is this setting powder. This is the MINA Cosmetics Blue Setting Powder. It looks like this. I love this because it's so fine, and I think even though you can't really compare this to the Laura Mercier powder, I personally feel that it is quite close to it and it's at the fraction of the price. Like this brand MINA, which you guys can think looks like 3-INA, 3-I-N-A, but actually it's pronounced MINA because I have been saying 3-INA, but like when I went for the event launch, everyone's like, no, it's MINA, and I was just like, oops. Yeah, but anyway, this brand is very affordable and they make pretty good quality cosmetics. I have been loving this to set my makeup with, and it just gives you that very polished, flawless look. It's very good for baking as well. The next favorite is this. This is the new Hourglass Arc Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I have been loving this to bits, especially when I decided to dye my hair black. I just thought I would go for a softer brow look, so instead of using eyebrow pencils, for a while I have been just using this. This helps to volumize your brows, make your brow hairs look a lot more defined, but at the same time it deposits like the right amount of color onto your eyebrows, and it gives you that very natural but kempt eyebrow look. So I think this is a super easy to use product. Just grab and go and you can have very natural brows and look put together in like just 1 minute or so. Then I also have this eyeshadow palette which I've been loving. This is the Etude House Universe Multi Palette in the shade Pink Galaxy. It looks like this. It's super cute. It kind of looks like planets kind of theme. I love this eyeshadow palette because it's very cheap. If I'm not wrong, it's only 20 bucks or slightly above 20 bucks. It comes with a big mirror and it comes with a wide range of shades. So you not only have your pinks, you also have your maroon, you also have your purples, you have a really shimmery gold glitter color. And what I love is also this pink color over here. It is a very subtle cool tone pink that looks really nice on, you know, any skin tone. And I think you can't really go wrong with pink eyeshadows that are this shade. I'm not talking about your bubblegum pink, I'm talking about this kind of mauve pink color, because you know, you just look super natural and very soft and very sweet with it. So with this palette, I have been creating a lot of looks with it because I can use this dark shade, you know, on my outer corners or even as my eyeliner. And I also have like this shade which is really good for the crease, and this glittery shimmer shade that is good for all over the eyelids, especially when you want to create that Korean look. Oh, and on top of that, this shade also doubles up as my blush whenever I use this palette. So it's a win-win. It's like a multiple use palette, which is what I like, and it's cheap. So yeah, my next favorite, I think shouldn't come as a surprise, is actually this. This is the Bourjois Rouge Velvet, the lipstick. I reviewed this on my channel. If you want to see the video, you also can check out the description box below. I love this lipstick. You guys can see my reaction in the video when I first applied it. It is so creamy, it's so pigmented, and the best part is it doesn't transfer, it doesn't bleed, and it lasts like super long. Like I've worn this for maybe 10 hours, 12 hours, just ate all 3 meals with this lipstick and it still is intact. So that is how good it is. And on top of that, it is a bullet lipstick, which means it's not drying on your lips at all, and it's very easy to apply. So I think this is possibly the best lipstick that I've come across so far. Like seriously, when I'm talking about lipstick, I don't only talk about the shades, but I talk about the quality, the staying power, how comfortable it is, so on and so forth. And I think this is hands down one of the best I've tried. Last but not least, I have this. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Makeup Setting Spray. I didn't used to like Urban Decay makeup setting sprays because I felt that there's something about it that, you know, don't allow you to touch up your makeup when you have it on. In the past, with the old formula, I would spray it on and throughout the whole day I would not be able to touch up my makeup because it will make it look like super cakey. So back then I didn't really like it, but I think this is a new formula and I tried it recently, and I've tried it all across Chinese New Year because, you know, when it comes to visiting, you are literally out from 8 AM in the morning all the way until like 3 AM in the next morning. So I needed my makeup to last all day. That is when I decided to try this out, and it really works. Like, trust me guys, my makeup, like my base, even my blush and my eyeshadow and my lipstick stayed intact or really long. I mean, of course I wouldn't say like it can last for like 22 hours straight, but I think if you're out for a full day at work, or you know, if you have to rush from places to places, I think this is a really good product to help your makeup lock it in place, and it gives you that really nice subtle glow as well, which is what I like. So we have come to the end of the video. I know it's a super long video. I'm also very tired of just like rambling on. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and talk to me in the comments. And also please please hit the notification button because I would love for you guys to catch my videos whenever they are up. And if you don't want to miss them, please just hit the notification button and join the fam, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!